Hello children, today we are going to start lesson 5 from our Hornbill book of class 11th. Name of the lesson is The Ailing Planet. Ailing means sick. The Green Movement's role. The Ailing Planet. Here the writer Nani Palkiwala is talking about the Mother Earth, our Earth. Which ailing planet he is talking about? Earth. He is calling Earth as a sick because of pollution, because of global warming. Our planet is ailing now, meant to say our planet in its declining stage, nature wise or atmosphere wise. Let's move on from here. Notice these expressions in the text. Infer their meaning from the text. A holistic and ecological view, inter alia. So few these important words are there, you can have it. The following article was written by, meant to say this lesson was written by Nani Palkiwala. He is a writer, Nani Palkiwala, and published in the Indian Express on 24 November 1994. I mean the lesson which you are reading, and it is a part of the Hornbill. It is basically an article written by Nani Palkiwala, and it was published in the newspaper named the Indian Express on 24 November 1994. The issue that he raised regarding the declining health of the earth continue to have relevance. Okay, so this I told you about the basic of lesson. Let's continue. One cannot recall any movement in the world's history which has gripped means catched, which has attracted the attention of the entire human race so completely and so rapidly as the green movement. Children, you must have studied in the prior or previous classes about the green movement in history. Okay, wherever, because in this movement, machinery or modern techniques of agricultures, okay, were introduced, and fertilizers, by which the crop production got increased at a high rate. So this is called the green movement. So in this lesson you will get to know about the same. Which started, so here have one question with you: when the green movement had started. Write this with you, you can have the answer from this point. Green movement was started nearly 25 years ago in 1972. The world's first nationwide green party was founded in New Zealand. So you will write when the first meeting held about the introduction of these modern technology of increasing crop production. Since then, the movement has never looked back. If you know about the agriculture process, previously the human was not having any modern technology or machinery, fine, so that's why the crop was not being produced in a large number or large amount. But after the green movement introduced, then a lot of fertilizers or machinery or new techniques of cropping were introduced, by which naturally a very nice improvement was noticed. Okay, let's continue. We have shifted, one hopes, irrevocably from the mechanistic view, means machinery, to a holistic and ecological view of the world. It is a shift of human perceptions, means human thinking, as revolutionary. Mean to say, you must know few people in your family maybe, or in your neighborhood, those who are having the land. Okay, how kind of machinery they use, or on Google you can search modern machinery, okay, of cropping nowadays. Introduced by Copernicus. Write this name better. This name you will write with you. Introduced by Copernicus, who taught mankind in the 16th century that the Earth and the other planets revolve around the Sun. So, if write one question with you: what was introduced by Copernicus? Write this. Which fact was introduced by Copernicus? You can write over here. Copernicus introduced that Earth that the earth and other planets revolved around the sun. Okay, he had introduced this fact in the 16th century, that you can write, and for the first time in the human history. So this is basically the answer of this question, which fact was introduced by Copernicus. Fine. There is a growing worldwide consciousness that the earth itself is a living organism. After that, this fact was introduced that earth is itself a living organism, mean to say, because of plants or natures. You can see around that many plants growing here and there. Okay, nature is very important for that.